Hi, and well done for choosing IB Computer Science. You've made an excellent choice. You are now a computer scientist, okay, and you won't regret it. What I'm going to do in this video is just introduce you to Android development. I'm going to show you where to download the software from, and so by the end of this video, you will have downloaded the software and have installed it, so you can start work on the next lesson, which is how to create your first Android app. Okay, so let me just show you the app that you're going to create to start with. So you can see it on the, let me just unlock my screen. Okay, so this is the app that we're going to create, sorry. It's a currency converter, okay? So I can enter some currency in here. So maybe I've got 3,600 baht, all right? And I can select in this drop-down box, I can select what currency I want to go from and then to, okay? So I'm going to go from baht to dollars. I'm going to click this button here, which is add, okay? And it converts my 3,600 baht into dollars. It turns out that that's $108. Okay, now let's do it the other way around. All right, so maybe I've got $200 and I want to turn that into baht. Okay, so I'm going to go dollars to baht. All right, let me just get rid of that. I click the add button and then it does it the other way around. Okay, so that is what you are going to create. Now, to get you started, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to type in and download Android Studio. Okay, so go to your browser of choice and your search engine of choice. Okay, and just search for Android Studio. Okay, the first one you get is the Android Studio and the SDK tools. Okay, and so you just click on that. All right, and basically what you need to do is you just need to download Android Studio for your operating system. Okay, so it should come up. Obviously, I've got a Mac, so it comes up for Android Studio for Mac. But obviously, you should get it for Windows if you've got a Windows machine. All right, so once it downloads, install it. All right, and then I will see you in my next video, okay, where once you've installed the Android Studio, where I will tell you how to create your first app. Okay. Again, well done for picking computer science. You made an excellent choice. Speak to you soon.